everyone. After some investigation here, we found out that the entire back of the car is not original from the car. It was installed after a rear-ended crash. So we're just gonna cut all of it and throw it away. Yes. When I say the whole back of the car needed to go, I wasn't kidding. All of it was a mess. And I just want to show you something here, especially in this corner. The previous crash just basically destroyed the whole back of the car, and it was repaired very poorly. This is what we do these things, because you don't want to end up with a nice car that is painted and then things start to crack and start coming apart. Look at this. This is how it should be. So you can see here, it's all bent. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. Okay, here I'm gonna have to change the supporting point, because right now I'm supporting the car on the axle, and I'm gonna have to drop this leaf spring to get this here freed so I can open it and start working on. So let's see how that goes. Go. Stay there. I wish Damien was here, but he's fixing his Beetle, so I had to do this by myself. I'll get it done. Well, close enough. I'm gonna put the leaf spring back and get some dimensions to make sure they're within the ballpark, and it's good to go.